Finally, we have some equations that are simplified using the laws of indices. For example, we have three equations over here. The first equation is an exponential equation. It is 5 raised to x equal to 125. So the unknown, the value of which we have to find is x, and it is written in the index or the power. So we need to find out the value for this x. And to do that, we will be using the laws of indices. First of all, this 125 should be changed into some base of 5. So as we know that it is equal to 5 cube, so 125 would be written as 5 cube. Now again, as we have discussed before, that when we have same bases and the terms are equal on both sides of an equation, then their indices are also equal. So I would be writing over here that is I dot e, that is the index of the left hand side should be equal to the index of the right hand side. So x would be equal to 3 over here. Similarly, in part B, we have 7 raised to y is equal to 1 upon 49. Now, I'm writing 7 raised to y. I need to convert this 49 into some base of 7. So it is 7 square basically. And now if I move this 7 on the right hand side in the numerator, then the sign of the index would change. So it would become -2 from +2. Again, we have the same situation. We have same bases on both sides of an equation and they are equal. So their indices should also be equal to each other. So I'm again writing that is the index of the left hand side, which is y, should be equal to the index on the right hand side, which is -2. So the value of y is going to be -2 over here. The last part, it says that 8 raised to z is equal to 16. Now, sometimes you cannot convert the base on the right hand side directly to a base on the left hand side, but both of them are convertible to a common base. So 8 could be converted as a base of 2, so it would become 2 cube, which is equal to 8 raised to z, and 16 could also be converted to a base of 2, so it would be equal to 2 raised to 4. On the left hand side, 3 would get multiplied with z, and 2 raised to 4 on the right hand side. So we have 2 raised to 3z is equal to 2 raised to 4. Now the bases are again same. The terms are equal. So the indices should also be equal to each other. So I'm again writing that is the index on the left hand side 3z should be equal to the index on the right hand side, which is 4. And to find out the value of z, we need to move 3 to the other side. So 4 upon 3 is the value of z, or I could also convert it as a mixed number. So 1 whole 1 upon 3 or 4 upon 3 is the answer of this z.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.